And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to add a rainbow in Photoshop. I've got this image opened and unlocked. Let us open a new layer. Activate the gradient tool. I'll reset my gradients. Afterwards, click on this little icon and append the special effects and select the last one. Now if we apply it, we only have a linear gradient, but we want to have a radial. So click on this little icon in the menu and once again draw a gradient, and it already looks like a typical rainbow. We can flip it, press Ctrl T, then right click and flip horizontally. I'm going to add a filter, blur, Gaussian blur. You can really go high here, around 130 or something, that looks fine. And then decrease the opacity a little bit, maybe like so. It depends on the image that you use. And now we want to get rid of the bottom part of the rainbow, so we add a layer mask. Make sure you've got black and white as your colors. Once again, gradient tool, and then select this gradient, make it linear, and now we can work with it. Get rid of the bottom part. When you've gotten rid of a bit too much, just press Ctrl Z to undo it. If you want to add parts to your rainbow, just change fore and background color. And maybe I want to have the rainbow on the other side, and I'll flip it once more, so I'll press Ctrl T, then right click and flip horizontally. And this is how you can easily add a rainbow to any image in Photoshop. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.